Hey everybody, welcome to GreenLane Offroad. My name's Donovan, and today we're going to be installing a set of our aluminum lower control arm skids. This video will serve as an install guide for the new LC250 Land Cruiser, the 2024 and newer Toyota Tacoma, and the brand new 6th Gen 2025 Toyota 4Runner. In the hardware kit, you'll receive 6 3/8 stainless bolts. There'll be 4 4.5 inch long and 2 5 inch long. The 2 longer 5-inch bolts go on the very outside hole holding the control arm skid plate in place. Make sure you use a liberal amount of anti-seize or grease on the ends of the threads to prevent galling. We're starting our installation on the driver's side with the logo facing the front of the vehicle. We'll insert the 5-inch long bolt through the single center slot and feed it up through the control arm. On the top we'll put one of the stainless thick washers and a nylock nut. Next we'll install the shorter 4.5 inch bolts in the front and rear locations. Once all 3 bolts are installed loosely, we can center the lower control arm skid plate and tighten up the bolts. We're going to torque all 3 bolts to 15 foot-pounds. Repeat the same process on the other side, and your installation is complete.